Ever wonder how AI knows if you're sending text, an image, or a document? Let's break down how AI models automatically recognize your input type and process it correctly. When you type text, AI looks for words and sentences. It counts characters, checks for spaces, and identifies language patterns. Simple text inputs are the easiest for AI to recognize immediately. For images, AI checks the file format and analyzes pixel patterns. It looks for edges, colors, and shapes. Whether it's a photo, screenshot, or diagram, AI instantly detects its visual content. Audio files show waveforms, while videos have sequential frames. AI examines file headers and content structure. It recognizes audio by sound patterns and video by motion between frames. Documents like PDFs or Word files contain both text and formatting. AI checks for page layouts, tables, and embedded elements. It extracts readable text while preserving the document structure. Want to learn more? Subscribe to not miss future updates. AI uses automatic content detection. It examines file types, data structure, and patterns. Within milliseconds, it routes your input to the right processing system. No manual selection needed. Whether it's text, image, audio, video, or document, modern AI models automatically recognize and process each type correctly. This seamless detection is what makes AI interactions feel so natural and intuitive. Thanks for watching.